Now everything's loose right there. So now we're going to go to the opposite side of the battery. We're going to go to the front right here, side that the flight control board is on. As you see, this doesn't want to come up because you have compass wires right there. So I'm going to show you how to take the compass wires off. So they sometimes you can get your fingers in there and pull. It's good to get a hold of the side right there. Grab it from the outside right here and have a little tension pulling on it, not much, but just a little bit. And these things kind of squeeze. On the sides to get them off. I'll show you that when I get them off, because it's a little hard. So I'm just gonna have a little pressure on it. I'm gonna put my tweezers right up here. Just kind of release it. If I can. These are kind of hard to get right here, but you can get them. There you go. So on the sides of these compass wires, you see there's little ears. I don't know if you can see that, but there's little ears on the side that you have to kind of squeeze to release them. And you have to be careful with them because they're fragile, they do break and stuff. But yeah, just try and be gentle with those, take your time. But there you go, the marks. This one's ready to go, it works and everything. All I gotta do is put this new bottom on here, new to me bottom. Appears to be in pretty good shape. I do need to add a compass wire to it. So I'm going to go ahead and take the compass wire off here. So when you take these compass wires off, got to be kind of careful with these because you can break them just like anything. So I pull this little white junk out of there, a little white silicone stuff, and then usually, again, pull a little bit of pressure to undo it. So I'm putting a little pressure that way on it, and just kind of give it a little tug. And you got to kind of line it up with a hole to get it out of there. Compass wire. Oh yeah, when you put these back in, you got to get the end the right way around. So they only connect one way, but you feel it snap into place. Be real careful with them. Don't force them. So yeah, we are going to put this one right in the screw leg right here. You have to kind of set it down in there, and usually I have a long, I usually have a set of long, straight tweezers with me, but I don't have those with me at the moment. So Let's try with these. Screwdriver, push my antenna wire out of the way. So that didn't work well. I'm just going to try and drop it right down in the hole. Antenna wires can be the hardest, man. I mean, they can be pretty tough to do sometimes. Can't tell what's going on here. Oh yeah. Yeah, I got it in 9, 10. Get in there. Alright. So now I'm just going to line this wire up with the block. So you can spend some time messing with these, trying to get them, trying to get these things on. But if you get frustrated, just let it hang. Don't worry about it. Come back and do it later. Like I said, they only draw them one way. Yep. I'm getting the light right. Okay. We're going there. Alright. So the antenna wires. So there's a little slot right there that wire will go down into. And then right across from it, there's another one. And then finally, there's one right there. I know you can't see what I'm doing at the moment, but I'm going to show you this when I get done. Okay, so there's one slot, 2 slots, and then one down there. So that just kind of keeps it out of the way when you're, you know, putting it together. The one on the other side over here is all about tape. So it's just taped down. If you don't do, you know, if you need, you can use regular packing tape for this. You know, you can literally just use any kind of tape you want, because once it's in there, it's in there.